I've been using Sweatcoin for the past 3 years, and if you guys want to know what my results have been for making money with the app Sweatcoin, watch until the end because I'm about to show you and expose everything. Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to Finance Fridays or Finance Monday. What day is it today? I don't know. I'm supposed to do these videos on Friday, but I missed it, and so I'm kind of making up for it right now. Anyway, if you guys like this video, drop a like, because I try and help you guys out every single Friday on how you can make money with new methods and just different apps and stuff, and we make money together. So let's do this. Also, watch this video till the end if you want to see my results and know how you can do it too. First of all, what is Sweatcoin? And Sweatcoin is actually an app you can download on both iOS and Android devices. It's basically an app where you can track your steps, okay? So you go walking, you go running, whatever the case may be, and Sweatcoin basically tracks the steps you take, and those steps then convert into Sweat coins, which you can then use to redeem different offers, or even maybe in the future PayPal Cash or something very crazy like that. Let's pop on the good old-fashioned beanie and let's get straight into this video. So like I said, I've actually been using Sweatcoin for the past 2 or 3 years, maybe even to 4 years. It's been a very long time, and I am a sole customer, a sole user who uses this app. And I've actually made videos in the past on this channel and even my second channel showing how you can get steps for free without even moving. It's amazing, and I'm going to show you that later in this video. But guys, that's not the point of this video. The point is to show you my earnings and how you could do the exact same thing. So of course, once again, you can walk and get some stuff, like there's offers you can get where you just have to pay shipping or whatever the case may be. It's pretty cool once again, but we are here for the quick bag. We're here for the quick money, the quick bread, dude. We are roasting that bread up, guys, so we can get the most amount of money. Now I'm going to show you how I personally made $600 in about 2 years using this app, and I wasn't utilizing my full capacity. I was just doing it randomly and here and there and all that stuff. So I could have made roughly $2,000 to $3,000, maybe even $5,000 from this in 2 years, but of course I chose to be a little bit lazy with it, and I made $600. So I'm going to show you how I did that right now. So on Sweatcoin, there's a thing called invites. And what you can do is invite friends or people on social media to the app using your link. And if they use your link to sign up with the app, you get money. Basically, you get 5 sweat coins and 1 invite. And here's the thing: if you get enough invites, I think it's like 3 or 4 invites, you automatically are enrolled into this program called Sweatcoin Influencer. And it basically means you're an influencer. You can now go out and get invites across the world, and those invites translate into invites numbers and sweat coins. So here's how it works. If you get 5 invites, you can cash out $5 worth of PayPal Cash. And it's simple as that. 5 people, that's it. And you can instantly get $5. Now look, there's another thing. If you get like 200 invites or something like that, you can actually cash out $100 PayPal. And I've actually cashed out $600 because I personally have gotten roughly around 700 to 800 invites to my app, and I was just through making a couple YouTube videos showing how to get steps for free, and I told people, hey, if you want to sign up with the app, use my link in the description, and they did. So that is exactly how I personally have made $600 using Sweatcoin. It is the best money-making method for Sweatcoin, and I do not recommend walking. Of course, you can to get some cool little stuff here and there, but obviously we want the PayPal Cash, we want the big dollars, the big bread, the big bucks, you know what I mean? So we gotta go with the invites, and that's exactly how you can do it, guys. You can become a Sweatcoin influencer and get all those invites and all that money. Now here's the thing, guys: you can only cash these out like 10 times for the $100, but then the $1,000 one is unlimited, so you can literally cash out as much as you want, guys. So make sure you guys do this right now and go download the app Sweatcoin using my link down below. I don't know, if you guys want to help me out, go ahead, sign up with Sweatcoin. Link is down below if you want to help me out and get some invites. That is my final tip to you guys: is really just invite people to the app, become a Sweatcoin influencer. It's super easy, and you literally get so much more money than just walking, and that's how I made $600 in 2-3 years, and I highly recommend it, guys. So if you guys aren't doing this right now, it's just a quick side hustle. If you guys make a couple $100 here and there, and maybe even $100 a month, I don't know, it's kind of cool if you do that. But yeah, anyway guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, now I did tell you guys I was going to show you a way to get steps without even moving. I'm going to show you that right now. Personally, right now I have 953 sweat coins, which I can use to cash out all this cool stuff here, and it's pretty nice here, I shall say. But guys, here's how you can get steps without moving. What you want to do: take your phone, okay, take your phone and move it left to right, 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 all that stuff, and just keep spamming it like this. And if you do that, it's going to at some point automatically start moving for you, and it's kind of crazy because you actually get steps with doing this, because it's like, I don't even know why, but look at that, I'm getting steps. I'm gaining steps, bro. I'm at 14 steps. I haven't even left my chair, guys. That's crazy. So it does work, and it does convert into Sweatcoin. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video, guys. And go download Sweatcoin, link down below, and peace.